Hi, I'm Cathy Irwin, physical therapist with Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. I'm here today to show you some exercises for strengthening your ankle muscles and your balance. The first exercise I'm going to demonstrate is calf raises. The purpose of this exercise is to strengthen your calf muscles and to help with your balance and your walking. Stand facing a counter or the back of the couch so that you have a little bit of support. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rise up on your tiptoes and then go down very slow. Up and down slowly. You want to make sure that you're pushing through your big toes so that when you go up, your heels are going straight and you're not rolling out with your ankles like that. As you get stronger, when you can do 30 of these and you're feeling stronger, the next thing you would do is while holding onto the counter, go up with 2, and go down on one leg slowly. Go one more time, go up with 2, and down with 1. And you'd want to be standing on the injured side so that you're strengthening that calf muscle.
Our next exercise is tandem balance. The purpose of this exercise is to build functional ankle strength, as well as to improve proprioception and balance to allow you to walk on differing types of surfaces safely. For this exercise, you'll step one foot directly in front of the other. Once you've gained this position, then you can take your hands away and try to stay balanced, starting for a round of 30 seconds on each leg. Once this gets easy, you can do things like turning your head side to side, or alternating arms up and down to increase the level of difficulty to maintain your balance. Once you complete 30 seconds to a minute in this position, switch feet to practice challenging the other leg. Single leg balance. The purpose of this exercise is to improve functional ankle strength, improve balance and proprioception to allow you to walk on varied surfaces more safely. For this exercise, we're going to balance on the left side. Engage the gluteal muscles and slowly lift your other foot. Once you're in this position, lift your hands away from your supporting surface. Try to maintain for 10 seconds. For this exercise, it's important to make sure that your gluteal muscles stay well engaged so that your hips stay nice and level and that you're not twisted at your trunk.